Guys, good morning and welcome to a new vlog. If this is your first time on my channel, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe if you haven't for more content on lifestyle and living in Germany basically. Alright guys, so it's been long that I have uploaded a vlog. I actually have tons of vlogs to upload. Like, I have a lot of videos, but the thing is, guys, work, like, I have a lot on my plate, and sometimes I'm like, YouTube can't wait, because YouTube is not paying me, but my work or whatever I do, my 9 to 5 pays me, so I have to prioritize that over YouTube. But hopefully I'm back again. I don't know if it's fully, but I'm back, and I'll be bringing weekly vlogs or weekend vlogs to you once again. The good thing is that I ordered a camera. Remember, I don't know if you've been watching my vlog, you know that I've been complaining about my current camera because it's very big. My battery is about to die. Hold on, let me change it. Okay, I'm back. I've been complaining that the camera is very big, and sometimes it discourages me to carry my camera out because it's heavy. I also even bought a new lens that made it bigger, although I'm not using the lens now. So I bought the lens for my sit down videos, mostly for my finance channel, because I mostly sit down to talk, so I needed a very high resolution lens. God help me. But then I ordered a small camera. Sony ZV1 is coming today. Hopefully it turns things around for the vlog channel. But yeah, now today is Saturday, and I want to go fix my lashes. Guys, this is the first time I'm going to be doing like fixing lashes. Not the one that I put and I removed. This one is going to stay like maybe 2-3 weeks, and then I also want to replace my nails because now they're very ashy. This one has even fallen off. I'm traveling next week. Thursday. Hopefully I vlog that as well. I'm going to Cyprus. But yeah, so you're going to follow me to do my lashes and my nails, and we'll be back quickly because I have a video to shoot or script to write. It turns out that the battery I switched is also very low, so this is what I'm wearing. Guys, Berlin is now very cold, so I'm wearing this two-piece I got last year also from Shein, yeah, with a white sneakers. So yesterday night I went to buy boxes because I don't have a medium-sized bust, and my Cyprus trip, I think I'll stay up to 10 days there, so I bought, let me show you guys. So I bought these boxes yesterday. I spent 95 euros for those two boxes. I'll start packing from next week as well. But I need to go fix the lashes, fix my nails. I didn't book appointments. There's this my friend. So she did her lashes, booked her and did her nails in one shop. I asked her if I needed an appointment. She said no, that you can just go there and you don't need an appointment. So hopefully when I get there, I'm the first person. I'll be very happy. So you're going to come with me. We'll fix our lashes and we'll see if we like it. I'm going to do 3D. I don't really know the difference, but she said that what she's carrying is 3D, so I'm going to do what she's carrying 3D, and then I want to replace these white nails. I'm really enjoying white nails. I might either do white or red nails. But yeah, this intro is getting too long. Let's head out. almost home and I want to take a scooter back home. So let me show you guys. Hold on, let me flip it. So these are a lot of them. I wish I could find the one for both because it's a lot cheaper than this tier. But because this tier is the only one available, I'm going to book it. But yeah, I'm going to take one of them home. In luck, I found a boat scooter, so that's what I'm going to take. Alright guys, I just got home right now and I just switched to a charged battery. But this is a closer look of what the lashes look like. I like it. Why I like it is because it feels normal. Like it doesn't feel like there's something on my, like I know I used to do the one where I can put and remove. That one, it's very very obvious that there's something on my eyelid, right? But this one, it just feels very normal. It feels very 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 light, as if I didn't even add anything. And then this is what the nails look like. Lately I've been loving short nails. I don't know if it's, yeah, lately I've been loving very short nails. Before, I used to fix very long nails and sometimes they prevent me from doing something or they break. And once one nail breaks, you just want to remove everything. And most times in Berlin here, before you can do your nails, you have to book appointments and sometimes it can be a hassle. But I've decided that I'm just going to be fixing short nails that will last me for at least 3 weeks before my next appointment. But this place I went to is quite expensive. This lashes now that I did is 85 euros. I went with in mind that it was going to be 65 because there was a place my friend did where I was supposed to go to, but I couldn't find the place. And when I was trying to reach her, she wasn't available. So I just saw a nearby salon and I entered. 85 euros, 30 euros. That's like 115 euros, right? Yeah. I'm broke. I'm broke. Oh my god, this is where you just stay and miss Nigeria, because Nigeria, these lashes would be like 20k and the nails would be like worst case 10k, and that's like 30k. But let's not convert. Let's not convert. I drove the scooter home. Since I learned this scooter thing, boat has been chopping my €1 from the train station to my house, because train station to our house is like 12 minutes walk, and sometimes a girl is not just in the mood to do other walking. Yeah. Now I got back home and I saw that my package is here already. Guys, this is the new camera and I want to unbox it. The major reason why I bought this camera is just because of how light it is. My friend, she does skincare on YouTube as well, Vanessa. She has the camera and I've seen her use it and it's so light. I'm going to unbox it and show you guys. So that's actually why I bought it, so that it will encourage me to keep, you know, this channel alive, because I actually enjoy vlogging. So let's see what it looks like. So I bought it with SD card. One of my SD cards has spoiled, so I decided to get another one. So this is the SD card, and then this is the new camera. This is the new camera, guys. Sometimes I'm really grateful that there are some things that I want to buy that I can afford. So this camera, I bought it from Amazon for 695 euros, and then this SD card I bought it, I think, like 30 euros. Everything was around 700 and something euros. So let's see. So it's Sony digital camera ZV1. A lot of YouTubers, people who vlog, a lot of them, this is actually the camera they use, and I like it. So I'm going to. It looks like you haven't set up any HomeKit accessories. What's Siri talking about? Reset camera ZV1. Ooh. Oh, so I can connect this camera to my iPhone. Is that what it's saying? To my Apple Watch, rather. I don't know what these are. I don't know. I struggle to read guidelines and blah blah blah. So I have 1 year warranty, which is very nice. Very, very nice. So just in case anything happens. And then it comes with, okay, it comes with a mic. Is this a mic? It looks like a mic. I think it is. Yeah, it comes with a mic. Yeah, it comes with spare battery. Although when I was celebrating my birthday this year, I knew I was going to get this camera, so I added the battery as one of my birthday gifts, and one of my friends got it for me. Where is it again? Let me try to, yeah. So I have two, I think I have three. The person bought three. I have three of this battery. So it means I have five, so I won't have to complain about battery. So this is the battery, and then it comes with a charger. I think this is the charger for the battery as well. And then now let's bring out the camera. Let's bring out the camera. So guys, see how small. See how small this camera is. Like, this is why I love it. You see how small it is. Like, I can just easily bring it out and hold it like this. When I switch to this camera, I'll show you guys my camera. I think I've shown you, but I'll show you guys how big this camera is. And the one I'm using is not even the big new lens that I bought. So this is the old lens that I had, and it's still very big. But look at this one. See, I can go out and put it in my pocket. See, I can easily put it in my pocket like this, and when I see something, I can just bring it out and quickly vlog. So I can easily see what I'm vlogging right from this place. So I have to turn it on. Let me see. So I haven't used it before. Okay, so I'm going to press power on to see what happens. Does it have battery though? I'm hoping it's very similar to, oh, it doesn't have battery, so I have to put battery inside. Okay, so this is the battery. If I lock it and I press on, what happens? Oh, I have to pick a language. Please tell me you have English. The immediately I put it on, it did. God, I need to change the language because I don't know what language this thing chose. I need to change the language ASAP. Well, woo, nice. Okay, so let's see. There's someone at the door. I'll get back to you guys later. So I want to put the SD card now. I've been able to set up the date, time, location, everything. So I'm going to insert the SD card now and see. Okay. It's just coming in and going out. I don't know. Okay. I don't know what's going on. I'll still have to watch YouTube video on how to use it. Because this is my first time using a Sony camera. My first camera is Canon, and it's very, very easy to use. So guys, the camera is not cameraing because I don't know, the lens keeps coming in and going out. I tried watching YouTube video to see if it was like a common issue with Sony ZV1, and it isn't, which definitely means that it's a system default. So I've packaged it exactly how it came, and I'm going to be returning it so that I can get a different one. I'm sad because I don't know how long before they would acknowledge that it's been returned and I will get a new one, because I actually want to travel with it to Cyprus. So I don't know if I should order a new one, then return this one, and I'll be refunded. But okay, I was very excited to get this, but now it has spoiled my day, bro. Let me go to the parlor and watch movie. Hi guys, so it's evening. This is like 7 p.m. and I just want to quickly go and return the camera. And then there are some Shein clothes that I bought. Let me on my room light. I don't know what I look like. And then there are some Shein clothes that I bought that I'm not really feeling them. So I want to just return them quickly. So I just know that Monday I'm doing work, tomorrow I'm resting. So I'm going to use scooter to go because it's a very long walking distance and I don't want to take Uber, but I can scooter to that place. So I'm packing it inside this bag because I know that I can carry the bag on my back. If you can see, I'm wearing winter jacket because it's like 12 degrees right now. The weather is quite cold. So I'm not going to carry this camera with me. I'll see you guys when I come back. And yeah. Hey guys, good morning. Today is a new day and today is Sunday. So there's this thing I've been doing for the past 1 month plus. So I've been actively working out and trying to eat right. And by eating right, I don't mean that I'm dieting or anything, but I'm doing what they call calorie deficit, where you kind of calculate the amount of calories you consume every day, because that's like how you know what you eat to enable you to lose weight properly. And yeah, so this is 7:25 and I want to go and work out. If you check my YouTube page, this particular channel, you would see that I've been documenting my everyday workout. Like, I mean, today will make it day 18.
Like broccoli, steady going like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me to deny my fantasy. They want to check if my daddy is wrong. But it rush my way, it be more. I gotta make my happy the rush. If I'm money with rush, yeah. It rush well, it be more. We be hype, everybody be crush. Let's go down in the dust. I see the rush.
Our food is ready, very ready to eat. So this is my egg. It's because I use plate to cover it, that's why it looks like it's pressed down. And this is the yam. Well, this is good. We are out in the cold. I have this bicycle that I bought last year. I drove it very well last year, but this year, for some funny reasons, I haven't driven the bicycle at all. And Ami and Raji, they've learned how to drive bicycles, so she wants to check out if the bicycle is still good, number one, and then she wants to be practicing with the bicycle. So we're here. This is where I parked the bicycle. I don't even know. The tire looks flat on that me. Well, I feel like it's...
See. I can really see something. Come and see.
Well, yeah, but it doesn't really mean.
And brake. Do you have two brake? Better. You don't have like the back brake. There was a time it was on the floor.
I was not the one that brought it. I feel like the tire has less.
I can even see that it's some. Nah.
Yeah. I can't even move it.
So how are we going to repair it?
Come and stand on it and see this case.
Wow. has back
gear. Oh, okay.
gear. Yeah, you can also.
But
And
like,
I hate it.
yeah.
This one has to. It's easier to stop with this one. This is the front. Let's see. No, okay, this is the front one, and this is the back one. That's the first thing because when you have a bike, check if the brakes.
When we go upstairs, I'll look for.
See, it even gets rusty.
I know it will not pass €100 to do everything. I'll just clean it up.
100 is.
I say it will not pass. Like, it's very like you like why I like it that it's very comfortable. It's low level. Is the one I was using before, the one I used to rent.
Yeah.
It was very high. That one I wanted to teach you people. It was high.
No wonder it was hard for us to learn.
But move, let me see. 4 seats.
But tire is bad.
Tire is very bad. So the bicycle is bad. I have to go and look for a bicycle repair shop so that we can fix it. You just look for it. So when you get your own bike, you just have to make sure it's locked in a way that help me with the padlock. I'm traveling tomorrow, and my life has not been this scattered in a long time. Adulthood has been, I don't know. I haven't packed. I'm going to be staying in Cyprus for a long time. I'm traveling, I'm going to be staying there for a long time. So I need to be intentional about my packing. So I decided to bring out 1 hour 30 minutes to try and pack. So I'm going to go with 2 boxes, 1 medium box and 1 small box. So this morning is about packing. Hi guys, so I have finished packing as far as I know. Let me show you guys something I learned newly. So I've learned how to package differently. So before, I don't used to do this thing, and then I would pack and I would just be, especially when I get to where I'm going to, I'll be very confused on how to get out my clothing items or where they are. So what I do is for each kind of outfit, I put them in a different ziploc. So let's say for example this one contains my swimwear, and then this one contains my innerwears, my undies. This contains I think 3 days outfits, then these are lounge wears, and then under it we have workout outfits, and then this one my night wears. And then if we come here, I then have the footwears and my handbag, and then my skincare products, my perfume down there. So this is the perfume, skincare, handbags, and footwears. And then if we come here, I don't want to put much in this small box. I have just 2 dinner gowns, and then jewelries, and then my passports and documents, and then my tampons here. So I'm very, very packed and ready to go. So this is neatly done so that when you get to where you're going to, you don't have to stress or scatter your bag. We did it. We packed. I'm happy. So I messed out my hair yesterday night because I need to shoot a video before I travel. I'm actually supposed to start preparing now to shoot the video so that I can get it done before evening, and then I can go grocery shopping and get very little things that I also need for this trip. So yeah, at least that is how I pack now, and it makes packing very easy, and I also tend to not overpack.
You never thought you did from back. Which my money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one I did.